Good everybody, this is maybe Okoye. Welcome to my channel. All we have to do today is to learn how to create a new sequence in Premiere Pro, and for us to do that we have many ways of you achieving that, so I will try my best to show you all. So the first step that we need to take is to right click on this video, any of the videos that you want to use to create your sequence. Right click on it, you will see new sequence from clip. You can do that here. You can see that Premiere Pro has already created a new sequence from this clip for us using the same sequence settings. If you don't want this pattern, you can also right click on any other video and also do this. Another means of doing that again is to click and delete this sequence, click and drag it to this icon. Premiere Pro is going to create a sequence for you. You can see that from here. Then another means of doing that is delete this icon too, and this sequence. Another means of doing that is to right click on this place. You see new item and select sequence. Already we have a default sequence setting that Premiere Pro has already saved on their Premiere Pro software. So all you have to do is to maybe just give it a name of your choice and just use anything. Okay, and you see that a sequence has been created. Just drag any of the videos that you want to use to this place. So you will get this message. All you have to do is, if you want to use the same settings, maybe sequence settings that you've done, if you know how to do a proper sequence settings for your timeline, you can just click on this keep existing settings. But if you don't know how to do that, you can just change the sequence settings for you to use this particular one that is in this video. Once a new sequence is created or a new timeline is created for you, you can adjust the settings by, if you don't want to, maybe if you don't like, you want to adjust the full settings of your timeline, you can just quickly come to this place, right click, you will see sequence settings and do your adjustment. You can start to change the frame size from here, do your custom settings and all of that from this part. If you don't want to do this part, you can just click on this sequence at the top at the menu bar. You see sequence settings, do your adjustment also from here. Thank you. I believe this video is helpful. Please do well to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.